my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my coffee bar makeover. I'm going to be decorating it for Valentine's Day. Normally I do not decorate for Valentine's Day, but the Target dollar spot had some really cute stuff this year. So I decided I would go ahead and do a Valentine's Day coffee bar. It's super simple. I didn't use anything crazy. So I just wanted to go ahead and bring you guys along with me as I decorate. So I've already removed all of the decor I had out from Christmas. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dust and wipe everything down before I put anything new out.
Stepping out, it's Friday night. How I'm longing for this day. Yes, I'm single, oh, we want to mingle, and my friends are on the way. You got that good vibe, I want to spend some time back here with you. Oh, I got that good old times, you want to.
Okay, so I will take off my glasses real quick because there is a glare from the light, but I'm gonna show you kind of what I'm working with. I'm still using the same mug rack that I had during Christmas. I have all of my K-cups, which I have no idea where I'm gonna put them because I don't have anything to put them in. For Christmas, I was using my Ray Dunn coffee canister, but it said Santa's cookies on it. I've got a couple of mugs. This one says Squad, this one says Queen. I thought it might be good for Valentine's Day. And then I have this mug. It says Mom Turned Upside Down is Wow. And my girls actually got me this mug for Christmas, but it does match the Valentine's Day theme. And then I have this sign that I got from Hobby Lobby a while ago that says Coffee Liquid That Smells Like Fresh Ground Heaven. And I've had that forever. So I'm gonna try to use that. I could probably put the K-cups in it. That's an idea, I don't know though. And then I have my cream, Ray Dunn, and I just have this succulent I think I'm gonna use. And then I got this from Boxwood and Binkies. I will leave her Etsy shop down below in the description box. She has such cute stuff. You can get these in any color, different sizes. And then I picked this up from the Target dollar spot. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with it yet. And then I got this little pink canister for $1 at the Target dollar spot. And then all of the stir sticks also came from the dollar spot.
I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Oh, that smile makes me tripping out. I wanna dance with you tonight. Yeah, you close to me, feeling good. I believe I gotta have you in my life. You got that good.
So this is how my coffee bar ended up. And I just put these two mugs right here. I didn't fill it up like I did during Christmas. As you saw in the video, you'll notice that I had no idea what I was gonna do with those, but they actually fit there perfect. I don't know if they even are supposed to go there, but it seems like they might. I don't think so though. And then of course over here I just have the coffee sign. I have my little cream cup, a succulent, all of this from the Target dollar spot. It's just the stir sticks, the X and O, and the one, I think that one says Love on it. Both packs of stir stick were $1. The little canister was $1 as well. And then I bought this. I just have like 2 coffee pods ready to go right here. And then I put my cup. You guys know I always put a cup right there for decoration. I put the cup the girls got me for Christmas right there just as decor. So like I said, super simple, nothing major. I added just a few pops of color here and there just to kind of represent Valentine's Day. My favorite part are the stir sticks. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
You better turn